Good morning, fellow ninjas. Welcome to Monday Morning with the Ninja Nation. I'm Don Tennessen. One observation about high-performance people is they tend to develop healthy patterns. These patterns create structure and predictability, and in many cases allow us that all-important focus in a world of constant distraction. In Ninja, we call that having the eye of the tiger. Focus is the key because we live in a world where many people are in what's known as a permanent state of partial attention. Good patterns are essential to high productivity. Today's tip of the week is called the Ninja Weekly Routine. 13 activities that, if done consistently, keep us in a good pattern. Today, let's look at the first 4 items on that weekly routine. Number 1, schedule a 1-hour weekly planning meeting with yourself. The idea is to review what happened last week, take a look ahead at your plans and goals for the coming week. This allows us to celebrate our successes, especially focusing on the Ninja 9 lead generation activities, as well as new relationships, under contracts, and closings. It might also force us to recognize that we lost some focus the previous week and make a commitment to get back on track. In other words, a 1-hour weekly planning meeting helps us stay in a good pattern. Number 2, schedule time to exercise every day. Let's make sure we take care of ourselves. No one watching this right now needs more education when it comes to the benefits of exercise. We just got to do it. Put it in your calendar, be consistent, maybe even find a workout partner, and get outside whenever you can. Write down what you do every day. Let's just make it happen. Number 3, we suggest that you show up. Get to the office first thing in the morning. You know, many realtors have a bad pattern of showing up in time for their first appointment, whenever that might be. Ask any managing broker or owner about who shows up first thing in the morning. The answer is almost universally the same. The most productive people in our business show up first thing. Number 4, let's schedule 2 real estate reviews every week. Let's remember, an annual real estate review is a meeting that we schedule with homeowners in our database. We provide the data of all the real estate activity from the neighborhood in the last 12 months. Homeowners really appreciate being kept up to date about the value of their real estate, and it sets us up as the source of real estate information. All right, your assignment for this week. Take a look at your daily patterns. Make a commitment to a 1-hour planning meeting each week. Find time to get some exercise every day and show up for work first thing. Do those real estate reviews. We'll continue our conversation about the weekly routine at this same time next week. All the best on the Ninja Path.